up, y'all? I'm Nate, in my Nature Valley.
Living in Cookeville, Tennessee, it's great to get my feet wet and relax at Cummins Falls. It's hard to find color in February, but at Cummins Falls, color never ends. The river can be a bit chilly to cross on foot in February, but the falls at the end are well worth it. On the tedious walk to the falls, it's nice to catch your breath with another incredible view. It's relaxing to just sit on a rock and let the river rush on by. There's nothing better at the end of a hike than biting into a delicious Nature Valley snack. I'm Nate, and this is my Nature's Valley.